Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. So today we're going to talk about Windows 11, and I'm running Windows 11 on my Windows machine, like x86 machine. I'm pretty much excited about that, and I was pretty much surprised actually about when Microsoft said that they're gonna release Windows 11, because they promised like Windows 10 is gonna be like a final version, like nothing is gonna be ever released ever afterwards. But here we go again, so Windows 11 is released. The biggest thing I was excited about was running Android apps right here natively. So the first thing after installing Windows 11, I really wanted to try running Android apps right here. And I downloaded the Android app, and by the way guys, check out those icons. The icons look like all refreshed, like everything is refreshed. Typically when Microsoft releases a new version of Windows, all the icons are refreshed, which is like, I mean, it's just just the fact, guys. I'm not sure, like, I'm not really excited about those icons, but looks nice. I mean, it's fine. So here's the APK file, and when you run it, of course, it's not gonna run it because it just says, look for an app on Microsoft Store. Of course, I went online and I wanted to check out how exactly to run the applications on your Windows 11 platform. So here it is, what I need actually to enable the feature, and this feature is called like Windows Subsystem for Android or something like that. So guys, as you can see, there's a Windows Subsystems for Linux, but it's supposed to have some Windows Subsystems for Android, but I don't see it here, so it doesn't work. So yeah, and this is just like surprising fact, because I was trying to find something like the most exciting feature, and this one doesn't work. So I'm like, alright, what was the purpose of installing this one? But anyway, so here it is, by the way guys. So you can still run your Windows like pretty much old way. You can just like type control, and you can open the control panel just right here, no problem at all. You can always like even switch back to the small icons, I think. Yeah, I mean, you can still use it like the way you use like Windows 7 or something like that, which is actually the point of Windows. It's very compatible and good in many ways, and it still pretty much looks the same. But guys, there's a fundamental difference between Windows 10 and 11, and let me show you this one. So when you right click, there's an option that says open in Windows Terminal, and I'm like, whoa, Windows Terminal, what is that? And just check this out, like the icon looks really nice because it actually reminds you of a terminal like in Mac or Linux. And when you click this one, let's see what happens. It takes a while. By the way, it takes a while. Typically like in Mac, and a terminal just like instantly opens like that. But it's just like a typical PowerShell. But what's more surprising and more funny actually, that I don't know, it's not the latest build, it's not the final build, but check this out. The icon just shows this black color of the icon, but here there's a blue color of this icon. So, but you can pretty much use it the same way like you use it on, let's say, Linux or Mac. I was actually learning PowerShell at some point, but guys, I mean, I don't see much point at learning this one right now in 2021, but I don't know, maybe if we're just managing like Microsoft server instances, something like that, but I don't know, not for regular user. How about opening the applications? Here's the start button, and you see it's fundamentally changed. I mean, it's no longer like on the left side, it just doesn't open like that. You don't see like any way to go through like start menu, just like a regular wave start menu, because I just don't see that. Just it shows either all apps, but there's no like categories. I don't see any categories. I don't know, it's kind of fundamental change, but at the same time you get used to it, because many people even got used to Windows 8. I mean, I don't blame them for that. It's fine, I guess. And you can scroll like you do it on like on Android. I don't know, just like that. And that's okay, I guess. And there's Instagram app installed right here. I actually pressed on to install this one. It seems like you're just like loading stuff in a like Edge browser, right? It doesn't seem like it's actually an app. Yeah, it just seems like a web browser kind of extension, something like that. And that's how it is. This one is probably like the widgets. Widgets is a nice feature, but you need to actually sign in, so I cannot show you that. So yeah, let's actually go to the task view. And task view basically allows you to switch between your desktops, between your windows and stuff like that. And there's interesting feature, guys. You can like hover over the maximize button, I think. Let's have multiple windows open. Let's see how does this work actually. So you need to select this one, and let's say, yeah, you just click it like that, and this one like that, and basically you have it like snap to the left and right, and you can just like work with that easily. It's pretty much something that comes from the tablet world, right, when you have like two windows side by side running like that. But to be honest, apart from that, I don't see much changes. It's basically the same old Windows, and we have icons here. I mean, the same kind of interface. Let's actually open the recycle bin. Let's open something like this PC. What else? Like, let's open the properties here. Pretty much all the same stuff, but icons are updated, guys. Icons are updated, seems to be like even more glancy. This whole thing appears centered, so I don't know. Search, you should be able to type stuff right here. I mean, it's pretty much, I don't know. It seems better because like on Windows 10, the search bar was occupying like, I don't know, almost the whole taskbar. I really hated this because the first thing I actually did when I installed Windows 10, I just disabled the search menu right here. And here just like a small button, right here, which is cool. And I should be able to basically unpin stuff, like let's say unpin this one. So it shows the pinned stuff, it shows the frequent stuff, and close all the windows, which is cool, nice option. Here's the typical tray. I don't see much exciting stuff at all. Pretty much all the same stuff. And settings, of course, it's pretty much the same settings you had in Windows 10. Yeah, but by the way, just animation looks nice, guys. This sliding animation kinda looks nice. But, I mean, I don't know, guys. This is just like, yeah, you can actually check out the process like that in PowerShell. Does this excite me? Probably the only feature that actually excites me here is the running APKs natively, like side-loading Android apps on Windows 11. And I do not see this option here, so it's not available. So what I should say, I mean, pretty much Windows, pretty much all we expect here. And by the way, what about this To-Do app, Microsoft To-Do? Okay, your list everywhere, pretty much the same, like Notes application that syncs all your data between the devices and all that. I mean, yeah, I pretty much expect all this kind of stuff. It doesn't look much worse than Windows 10. It's probably even a little bit better than Windows 10 because it allows you to run Android apps in theory. But guys, talking about the Android apps, it's not actually running those like natively on your machine on Windows 11 instance. It actually virtualizes those through a specific like Intel Breach kind of virtualization layer, because Android applications are ARM applications, and this platform, this specific Windows installation is x86. There's also ARM version available, it's gonna be available, but this one is x86, and most of the computers are x86 still that are running Windows, right? I'm actually gonna play around with like a newer version of Windows 11. Probably that one is actually gonna have some kind of capabilities of running Android apps. Alright guys, thank you for watching, please subscribe and bye bye.